Hey everyone, want to create a stunning AI images with Leonardo.AI? Here's how to master prompting for better results in just few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Leonardo AI and log in your account. Then here in the dashboard, click on the image generation. Then here, choose the style or model that you want. You can stick to Leonardo's default or choose from fantasy, realistic, or anime styles depending on your goal. Then here, write a detailed prompt. The more descriptive, the better. Include subject, mood, style, color, and even camera angle. Like this example here, a futuristic city at night, glowing neon signs, flying colors, wet streets, reflecting light, cyberpunk style, and ultra detailed 4K. You can adjust the settings, and after done, you can now hit generate. And pro tip, you can also use a negative prompts if it's available. And once you're happy with the result, download and share your AI art anywhere that you like. And that's it. That's how you master prompting in Leonardo AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.